So I purposely left it right now just so that you could hear if it's running in the background. I don't even know if you can hear it running in the background. All right, today I've got a little bit of a controversial topic to go over, and that is open frame generators when you're wanting to boondock somewhere. Now, a lot of people will demand that you run those quiet generators that are just super quiet, not making very much noise. But if you do have an open frame generator, just because you've already got one, or maybe you inherited one or something like that, I did a little test here to be able to see just how quiet we can get it inside our rig. Now, granted, it may not be the quietest to where the sound is going to, but more on that here coming up. Well, as you can see here, just like normal, I did disconnect the truck so that I could get the trailer leveled and the stabilizers down, all that jazz. But what's a little bit unorthodox is having the truck pointed at the trailer like that, and there's a reason for it. Let's go check it out. All right, as you can see here, I've got the open frame generator in the back of my truck. And if you take a look at the orientation, it is because I am redirecting the sound away from the trailer using the truck as a blockade so that it's less noisy inside the trailer. Now, I wouldn't be doing it justice if I didn't give you some actual sound levels for what's happening here at the back of the truck, the side of the truck, the other side of the trailer, and inside the trailer. I also have a sound reference from when the kids were just playing around like normal, so that it's not like a dead quiet versus a noisy level. I'm going to cut to that first. And I don't know how well you'll be able to hear me with standing right behind the generator being so noisy. As you can tell, these open frame generators are very noisy. And there you go, that sound level just drops down massively as we're to the side of the truck. So even if you had the truck parked in parallel or something and directing the sound away that way, that would do the trick even to get it much more manageable. And with that on the other side of the trailer, it's like it's not even there. Especially if you were wanting to do something on this side of the trailer, no noise at all. And then moving inside the trailer, yeah, it's quiet in here. Like the little bit of a hum of a truck stop, but really you can't even tell it's there besides that little bit of a hum. So I purposely left the generator running right now just so that you could hear if it's running in the background. I don't even know if you can hear it running in the background, but it is something that is with a grain of salt for everywhere that you go. Obviously, if you're camped right next to somebody, I wouldn't be pointing my generator in my truck right at their campsite because that would just be extremely rude. Uh, if you're out here like I am, though, where nobody's around you on some BLM land, it's a pretty slick solution for those open frame generators to be able to reduce that noise level inside. One other little bit of full disclosure on this is that when I went inside the trailer, I wanted to make sure that the kids were completely quiet. I'd have a good baseline to go from so that there would be no other interference. Come here, buddy. Come on. Come say hi. All right, bye. So, and it's one of those things that when the kids are playing in there, it's actually, I think, a little bit noisier than when it's completely silent and the generator is running. So really, in your day-to-day movings and doing stuff, it's not a big deal when you're out here in the middle of nowhere, BLM land, to have that generator running and not drown the noise out inside your own living space. We're so glad that you guys joined us for this, and I hope you learned something new to be able to use that open frame generator when you want to. We'll catch you on another adventure. See ya.